Welcome back. Today we're going to start part 5 of the How to Budget series. My name is Adam Lasowski. Welcome to the 3-Minute Advisor. Let's start the clock. Hi, me again. I'm sure you're getting tired of hearing my voice and tired of seeing my face, but only 2 more videos to go. You made it this far, stick with it, you can do it. Now to get started, we're going to use the same spreadsheet that we've used in every lesson up to this point. Now today's steps can get a little complicated, so I want you to notate the time right below me here, because we might have to come back to this step. Ready? Let's get going. I want you to create a new column this time for our monthly balance sheet. First row, list your monthly gross income. Second, I want you to list your net monthly take-home income. Now, net refers to how much you're actually getting deposited into your bank account each pay period. For our balance sheet, I want you to subtract the gross pay from your net pay to create a number that will represent our withholdings and savings into an employer account, like a 401k. If you're confused, it's okay. Let's keep going. Next, list your savings that is coming automatically from your paycheck. This is any savings you listed in the previous video that's being saved before your paycheck gets deposited. Let's subtract this savings from the number listed above. We should now have captured your paycheck withholdings, such as taxes, health insurance, Social Security, Medicare, and other things. Now at this point, your gross pay minus your employer savings plans minus your withholdings should equal your net pay. If it does, great, we can keep moving. If not, go back and take another look. Moving on and starting with our net pay, let's subtract any savings that we listed before that isn't coming out before your paycheck gets deposited. But this is still money that you're saving for a financial goal before you're paying any bills or spending. Finally, we're going to subtract our expenses from this number. This number we will refer to as your monthly net cash flow. When you first begin budgeting, this number is likely going to be larger, sometimes negative, but usually positive. Our goal moving forward is going to be to get this number as close to 0 as possible. Now, if this monthly net cash flow number is dramatically positive or negative, it might mean we've made a mistake somewhere. If it's saying it's positive, it means that we should have that amount of money left over each month. Now, unless you're putting that or close to that amount into savings after everything's paid, more than likely we've underestimated our expenses. If you're pretty confident that you've done that and everything else makes sense to you, don't worry about it too much. We'll go ahead and use that number going forward, because in the next video, we're going to take that monthly net cash flow and find out how to put it into action. Remember, becoming great at personal finance is possible. It's something that you can do. You've made it this far, you've only got one more video to go. We'll see you there. Thanks for watching.